everybody, it's BITTON. Check out what I have here. I have a wireless inflatable pump. I did take it out of the box just to check it out, but this is what it looks like here. You got the pump, you got the little, I had to use it actually. So I used it and inflated something, but here I am back again to show you it. So this is how it works, and I've got it all figured out because I'm a pro. So you hold down the button here, and it turns itself on. It is set for PSI right now because I was using it for the car, but you can see it's, you can have it set for 36 PSI. If you push the M button, it'll change the different modes. So this one here now, it wants to do a motorcycle at 40, and here it wants to do a bicycle at 50, and a basketball at 8, and there's back to the car again. So there's all the different settings there. And then to make it go, you just push the power button again. Turn it off just because of the sound. But the way this thing here just unscrews, you've got a few little ports up here. You've got the little round port is for charging it in the car with this, the cigarette lighter adapter. There's a USB port there and a USB-C, and you can also charge it from USB to USB-C. Found that as well. And it comes with the Schrader valve, so that's for doing your cars. It comes with a Presta conversion for it. So you've got the little adapter here you can screw onto your little Presta valve to make it work. It comes with a basketball pump, and then for just inflatables, the other type too. And it actually blows pretty quick. So this one here was surprisingly good for doing a car. It did it in, you know, well, I mean, I had to go a few PSI, but it did it way quicker than some of the other ones did. You see that just unscrews. And this is the battery here. It's got a hefty battery, so it's gonna last for a long time. Sorry, my son is playing Oculus or something and punching. But, but this is a great little battery, and it's cool, I like it. Thumbs up for sure.